Hello students, today we will learn English and our topic is these and those. Before we start, let us recall the previous topic, this and that. In the previous video, you have already seen what is this and what is that. Do you remember, children? It is used with singular. It is used with singular thing, and singular means only one thing. So let us revise, children. Now we use this and that to point one person, object, animal or a thing. Now let us see, where do we use this? This is used for something that is near us, that is close to us. So here we have an apple and there is only one apple. So we are going to use this. Now this apple is near to me. It's close to me. So I am going to use this. This is an apple. Same way, that. Now that is used for something that is far from us. So here we have an apple. There is only one apple. So we are going to use that. Now this apple is far from me. It's not near me. It's far from me. So I'm going to use that. That is an apple. So children, in this video, we will see, instead of this, we are going to use these, and instead of that, we are going to use those. Now for singular, we use this and that, and for plural, we use these and those. Singular means only one thing, and plural means more than one thing when we talk about many things. Now let us see these and those. These and those. We use these and those for more than one person, animals or things. Once again, children, we use these and those for more than one person, animals or things. Now let us see, where do we use these? We use these for people, animals or things that are near us, that are close to us. Now these is used when we talk about many things. So here we have an example. Now this is the picture of bird. Now there are so many birds. So we are going to use these. These are birds. Now these birds are close to us. It is near us. So these are birds. And are we used when we talk about many things. Now let us see, where do we use those? We use those for people, animals or things that are far from us, that are not near us. Now we have a picture of a rose. Now this rose is not near us. It is far from us. And there are more than one rose. So we are going to use those. Those are roses. It is far from us. So we are using those. Those are roses. Once again, children, those are used for people, animals or things that are near us, that are close to us. Now these birds are close to us. So we are using these. These are birds. And are is used when we talk about many things. Now let us see those. Those are used for people, animals or things that are far from us, that are not near us. Now here we have picture of a rose. Now there are more than one rose. So we are going to use those. Those are roses. And these roses are far from us. So those are roses. So let us see this, that, these and those together. In our today's topic, these and those, instead of this, we are going to use these, and instead of that, we are going to use those. So children, this is the picture of a rabbit. There is only one rabbit and it is near us. So we will use this. This is a rabbit. Now children, we will see these and where it is used. So children, here we have two rabbits. Now these rabbits are near us. So we will use these. These are rabbits, and are is used when we talk about many things. So children, now instead of that we will use those. First we will see that. So children, this is the picture of a cat. Now there is only one cat and it is far from us. So we will use that. That is a cat. Now children, we will see those. Here we have two cats. Now these cats are far from us. So we will use those. Those are cats. Let us see one more example. Children, as I have told you in the beginning, we use this and that for singular thing and these and those for more than one thing, that is plural. Now there is only one apple and it is near us. So we say this is an apple. Now that is an apple. We are using that because it is far from us. That is an apple. Now let us see here. So there is more than one apple. So we will use these and it is near us. So we will say these are apples. Now we will use those. Those are apples. We are using those because it is far from us. Those are apples. Now children, how will you make a sentence? Now this is a picture of a star. Now these stars are near us and they are more than one. So how will you make a sentence? We will write these are stars. Now let us see the other picture. This is the picture of a tree. Now there are more than one tree and it is far from us. This arrow points far object. So we will write those are trees. Now let us see some more examples. This is the picture of a book. We have more than one book. So there are many books and it is near us. So we will write these are books. Let us see the other picture. This is the picture of a cap. There is more than one cap and it is far from us. This arrow points far objects. So we will write those are caps. Now children, we will learn how to join a sentence using and. Look at the picture here. Now here we have 3 bags and this side we have 3 brushes. That means we have more than one object. So children, now you have already learned how to make a sentence. So let us see how to join sentence using and. Now this arrow points far object and for far object we will use those. So let us frame a sentence. These are bags. These are bags. And now here we will use and Those are brushes. Those are brushes. Now here we have more than one cake, and on the other side we have more than one hat. So we will make sentence, these are hats. Now these are hats. The arrow is pointing towards cake. So cake is far from us. So these are hats. And we will use and over here. And those are cakes. Those are cakes. So thank you children. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Stay at home and be safe.